Hey guys, it's Amber, and I am going to be talking to you a little bit about my 2023 Week in Life album. So I wasn't sure exactly how much of it I had finished. I have Monday through Friday done, and I really only have Saturday and Sunday. Most of it's already like the product is pulled and ready to go. So I want to get this finished, and talking about 2024 Week in the Life is what got me all inspired and ready to go for this. So I'm going to walk you through one quick day and then show you what I have left already prepared. So I've got my transparencies. These are already made. I have this right here, which my transparencies, goodness, my sticker paper is already created. So all I would need to do is put the transparency in the middle, sticker paper, photo on the back with maybe a tag. So then I have a 6 pocket 3x4 page protector, which I make those by cutting down a 9x12. Cut off one of the rows, and I'm hoping that they'll make these eventually someday because it's one of my favorite designs. So you see that I add journaling to some of the photos. I have a see-through pocket here with a Paige Evans transparency. I included one of the transparent circles back to back with a different transparent circle. I used chipboard. I've been using this pattern paper here that was from Heidi Swap. So I've got like pieces of the pattern paper ready to go. I still have never made my title page. It was vellum, so I wanted to save it till the end. Got my tag paper. That was from a scrapbook kit. I have my transparency. And then just a few other little things that I'm going to be adding in right at the end. So like I have all my supplies gathered and ready. I'll tuck that under here for now. So I just need to go back in and do the same thing. And then I had a 4x4 and 6x4 pocket page protector with the pocket, and then on the back of that somewhere I would include the tag with the day, chipboard that made sense. On the back here I had one of these 2x2 cards that look like this, and on there I would include breakfast, lunch, and dinner, which was a stamp from the foodie set. I added one of these tags every day with some ribbon with a sticker on it. And then I filled out my cards with handwritten journaling. And then for these long days, I typed up my journaling on sticker paper. And then here I would add chipboard or more journaling on the photo with some more transparent circles. Added the big transparent circles to one of the photos if I had room. I had enlargements every day with some of the, I think these were from a kit and these were from the Week in Life kit. These are from a different kit. Here I have another one. This Monday's a big one, so that's why I'm showing you that. Another one here. There was always a chipboard every day, and then I used Heidi Swap letters to spell something out. And then I used one of these vellum hearts every day, and then that led me into day 2. So I'm sharing that because I'm pretty sure I have videos for like the first 5 days. Let me just get to the back here. I loved my system that I created. I thought it was really fun. It was really creative. I added like one of these flowers every time. I love my transparent pockets. I love the pattern paper that I found to go with it. Like I love my project, but I do remember why I stopped. And it was because we had a really, really shitty weekend. So I kind of, like I said, I was going through here seeing like I got all the way up through Friday. So here's my Saturday. I actually already have the stars already stuck down on there. So look at me go. I already have this made. Got my pieces all tucked in here for color coordinating. The hearts, the Saturdays, the tags, everything. What I don't have is photos of my food, so I can't really do that same card that day. I don't have any good long photos. I think I do for Saturday, but not for Sunday. Saturday was fine. I think I had to work. And then Sunday, our basement flooded. So, like, I think I was so sad about that happening. And my mental picture for how the project should go, like, went down the window, like, washed away with the flood. That, like, I couldn't finish. I was so sad. Like, I didn't get any family photos of the 5 of us. I didn't have any pictures of food. Like, how could I complete it? It didn't match. And so I just let it kind of go to the side. And now I'm just like, who cares? So you can see what I've got ready here. I have this, like, ephemera page made and ready. So this is where we are at. 2 pages to go. I just have to look back and figure out where I put all my details to make it feel similar. But I went ahead and made 2 page protectors, so they're ready. Got my photos printed out. So I'll probably just do these 2 together and then share everything and then share a full walkthrough so that I'm not sharing 2 individual pages. But basically Saturday morning I woke up. I was like distracted with the kids. I was tired. I fell asleep and I never set my alarm that day. So I woke up after I was already supposed to be at work. So I texted my manager on duty. I was like, hi, I cannot believe this happened, but I overslept. I'll be there as soon as possible. So they were like, no big deal. On my way to work, there was like a hot air balloon, like landing, a shot from work. That was it. Last year I was playing Wordle, like religiously, and it's fun because now I don't really play Wordle, but I play other games on my phone. So it'll be interesting to realize that I didn't, do this anymore. Went and got a haircut. And then I have a picture of being on the couch with kitties and watching a movie. This was that movie. A shot of doing the dishes, like the empty sink and the rainbow. And then I've got 2 of the long panoramic photos of the kids relaxing, me holding the cat, and that's it. So they're not bad, but like they're not thorough like the other days were. I've got my 2 sticker page journaling blocks done so I can add them. I forgot to change the color of one, but I made the other one teal. So those will get cut off at 6.5 inches and then 4 by 6.5, and then I can just add those to the journal cards. And then I have my 2 vertical photos for Saturday and Sunday to go on the back of the cardstock 1 through 7s. So just a shot of my cat in the hallway and then the flowers that were finally starting to pop. Our irises don't really bloom till May. And this was in April of last year. So then I've got photos of a shitty looking basement, flooding, tools, wires, hoses everywhere, the fan drying our floor. The kids literally were by themselves for like 7 hours while we did this all day. So I have like a shot of looking in on the kids, checking on them in their rooms, a shot of what the weather looked like because it said flood warning. Our whole area covered in nasty weather. A shot of my Wordle for the day where I started out with the word rainy. Just some shots of the cats, I think, while I was taking a break, probably while Jarrett went and got a new sump pump that day. Dinner time, the kids were leaving, I was in bed. The only shot I have of food is of the spaghetti Jarrett made and the cats laying on Easton shoes. Like, that's it. So, like, I don't have any shots that can be used for panoramics. So, like, it's going to be different, but, it is what it is. But I feel like I have a pretty good jump on everything. I'm excited to get started, but I just kind of wanted to share with you where I was. I'm not usually a project quitter. Up until last year, I was always caught up, or if I was behind, I got cut up quickly. I would finish my projects within a fair amount of time. Like last year, I did my December daily late. I never finished my October daily. I never finished my week in the life. I didn't do a project life. So you guys know from my last video that I was like struggling, and trying to find my place in scrapbooking because I had other interests and lost my mojo. So I am excited to get this finished. I can't wait to see it completely done. And I'm so glad that I do have it done, because it's always different year to year. Even though I'll have pictures of myself at work, I'll have pictures of my food, I'll have pictures of my vitamins and pills that I take. I'll try to take the same kind of photos every year from my mailbox, from my washing machine or dryer, whatever. You know, things that we're doing every day. I always try to take a photo in the shower, you know. So those are fun photo challenges for me, and I'm glad that I have them, because it's going to be different. With all that being said, I can't wait to get this finished, and I'll share some footage with you as I'm working on it. I'm probably, because this is really chunky, probably going to take out like day 6, work on it, take out day 7 and work on it, not in the album, and then show you everything that it looks like when I'm done.